How to make iPhone every year. Millions of people unwrap a sleek white box. Inside it lies one of the most iconic devices of our time, the Apple iPhone. How is it made and who are the people behind it? Let's take you on the incredible journey of how an iPhone is born. It starts deep in the earth, across Africa, South America, and Asia. The iPhone uses over 60 different elements, from cobalt in the Congo for batteries, to rare earth minerals from China and gold from Peru. These raw materials are mined, extracted, and shipped to factories across the globe. Each tiny part a vital piece of the puzzle. Part 2. Components from every corner. Next, these materials go to specialized factories. Samsung and TSMC make the iPhone's processors, in South Korea and Taiwan. The camera lenses mostly made by Sony in Japan. Corning in the USA makes the durable Gorilla Glass for the screen. Even the vibration motors come from Germany. Each supplier crafts a tiny miracle, from microchips to sensors. Part 3. The heart of assembly. China. Once all these parts are ready, they are flown to one place, Zhengzhou, China, nicknamed iPhone City. Here in factories owned by Foxconn, the real magic happens. Over 300,000 workers, engineers, technicians, and line operators work in shifts to assemble millions of iPhones. Each iPhone has about 1,600 tiny components, and it takes around 400 steps to put it together. From soldering chips onto the motherboard, to placing the camera, testing the touchscreen, sealing the back, and polishing the Apple logo. It's not just machines, it's human hands, eyes, and care. Part 4. The people behind the screens. Life inside Foxconn is intense. Workers live in dorms, eat in massive cafeterias, and often work 12-hour shifts. There are assembly lines, quality check stations, robotic arms, and security gates. But there's also pride. Many of these workers are young, skilled, and proud to say, "I helped build something the whole world uses." Apple says it audits conditions regularly, and workers receive training, food, and health care, though debates continue on working conditions and fair pay. Part 5. From factory to your hands. Once assembled, iPhones are packed in minimalist boxes and shipped globally. Some go by air, others by sea. Each box is scanned, tracked, and labeled, bound for New York, Mumbai, Dubai, Paris. By the time it reaches a store or your doorstep, this one device has traveled over 30,000 miles, touched over 40 countries, and passed through the hands of hundreds of people. Closing reflection. So the next time you tap your screen, take a photo or send a message. Remember, your iPhone is more than just a gadget. It's a global story of science, engineering, labor, trade, and dreams. It's not just made in China, it's made everywhere. Visual ideas for editing. Opening shot, unboxing an iPhone in slow motion. Mines and minerals. Footage of raw material extraction. Factories worldwide. TSMC chip plant. Sony lens factory. Foxconn assembly line. Workers placing components, testing devices, cinematic shipping scenes, cargo ships, airplanes, delivery boxes, people shots, a worker smiling, a young man using his phone. Ending, world map glowing as the phone lights up.